Sometimes what's good turns them bad. All this being so happy seems so sad.